That sound you just heard was not made by any instrument. No studio, no musician, no human hand touched it. That came from space, real space, recorded by real scientists. And when they heard it for the first time, they went completely silent. We've always been told space is empty, quiet, dead. But that's the biggest lie ever told in a science classroom, because space is screaming. You just can't hear it yet. Today we're counting down 8 real sounds recorded in space that will genuinely disturb you. I'm not using that word lightly. Some of these kept researchers up at night. Stay till number 1 because the last one, scientists still cannot fully explain. Number 8. The Sun. You've seen it your entire life. You've never heard it until now. That is our own sun. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory captured surface vibrations, pressure waves rippling through the sun's plasma, and converted them to audio. The result sounds less like a star, and more like something breathing underwater. The sun is 1.4 million kilometers wide. 1 million Earths fit inside it. Its surface temperature is 5,500 degrees Celsius, but its outer atmosphere, the corona, somehow reaches 2 million degrees. Scientists don't fully understand why the outside is hotter than the surface. The sun is still hiding things from us. Every second, it converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. That process releases more energy in 1 second than humanity has used in its entire history. And right now, as you listen to this, those waves are still rolling across its surface. A star, 150 million kilometers away, rumbling at you. Number 7. The Milky Way Galaxy. This one is different. This one feels personal. NASA sonified data from the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, using the Chandra X-ray Observatory. They took X-ray, optical, and infrared light data and translated each wavelength into a different instrument. The result is eerie, almost orchestral, like the galaxy is composing something. The Milky Way is 100,000 light-years across. It contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. Our sun is one of them, sitting in a quiet arm, nowhere near the center. At the center sits Sagittarius A times a supermassive black hole, 4 million times the mass of our sun. That's what this sound is orbiting. That's the thing at the heart of everything you've ever called home. And the most unsettling part? We will never escape it. The Milky Way is our address, and now you know what it sounds like. Number 6. Deep space. This one has no name, no object, just the void. NASA took data from deep space, the space between galaxies, and converted it to sound. What came back wasn't silence. It was this, a dense, layered drone that sounds like it has weight, like darkness has a frequency. In deep space, temperatures drop to nearly absolute zero, minus 270 degrees Celsius, the closest thing to nothing the universe allows. Yet even there, particles exist, quantum fluctuations, ghost signals from the Big Bang still echoing. Nothing is truly empty. Nothing is truly silent. Light from the galaxies you see in deep space images left before Earth existed, before our sun existed. You are literally hearing ancient time converted into audio. And somehow, it doesn't sound peaceful. Number 5. Pulsar. That clicking, count it. It doesn't miss. Not once. A pulsar is a spinning neutron star, a dead star's collapsed core rotating so fast it sends out a beam of radio waves like a cosmic lighthouse. And when that beam sweeps past Earth, we hear it as a click. Regular, mechanical, relentless. Some pulsars rotate 700 times per second, the fastest spinning object in the known universe. A city-sized ball of dead star matter spinning faster than your blender, 700 times every second, with the precision of an atomic clock. It doesn't slow down, it doesn't drift, it just pulses forever. When pulsars were first discovered in 1967, scientists briefly called them LGM signals, little green men, because nothing natural should be that precise. They genuinely thought it might be alien communication. It wasn't, but the fact that scientists even considered it says everything. Number 4. Neutron stars colliding. Two dead stars, hurtling toward each other for billions of years. And in 1 second, this. In 2017, LIGO detected gravitational waves from two neutron stars colliding 130 million light-years away. Scientists converted those space-time ripples into audio. What you hear is the chirp, the signal rising in pitch and intensity as the two stars spiral closer and closer, then merge. One moment, one sound. That created more gold than exists on Earth. Neutron star collisions called kilonovas are responsible for most of the heavy elements in the universe. Gold, silver, platinum. Every piece of gold jewelry on Earth was forged in a collision like this one, billions of years ago, scattered across space, eventually pulled together into our solar system. You're wearing dead stars. You've always been wearing dead stars. And that sound, that chirp, that's the moment it happened. The universe making gold. The universe making you. Number 3. Black hole colliding. If two neutron stars sound terrifying, two black holes sound like the universe breaking. In 2015, LIGO detected the first ever gravitational wave signal from two black holes, merging one 29 times the mass of our sun, the other 36 times. They had been spiraling toward each other for billions of years. The collision lasted less than a second. And in that fraction of a second, it released more energy than all the stars in the observable universe combined as a single burst of gravitational waves. The chirp you hear is space-time itself being stretched and compressed. Not sound waves, not radio waves, the actual fabric of reality, vibrating, passing through Earth, passing through you. In that moment, every atom in your body was gently squeezed and stretched by the collision of two black holes, a billion light-years away. You felt it. You just didn't know. The universe is violent on a scale that makes human wars look like raindrops. And we recorded it. Number 2. Quasar. This is the loudest thing in the universe, and it sounds like nothing should. A quasar is a supermassive black hole actively consuming matter at the center of a distant galaxy and releasing jets of energy so powerful they outshine entire galaxies. NASA converted the radio emissions from quasars into audio. The result is this low, almost growling drone that sounds like it has mass, like it's pushing against you. The most powerful quasar ever detected, TON 618, contains a black hole 66 billion times the mass of our sun. Its jet of energy stretches for millions of light years. If it replaced our galactic center, it would be bright enough to cast shadows on Earth at night. The entire night sky would shift. Quasars are so bright we can see them from the edge of the observable universe, 13 billion light-years away. That means when this light left its source, the universe was less than 1 billion years old. You are hearing the infant universe screaming. Number 1. The Big Bang. I said stay till the end. Here's why. The Big Bang happened 13.8 billion years ago. You cannot record it. It's gone. Except it's not, because the Big Bang left an echo. Scientists call it the cosmic microwave background, a faint radiation field filling the entire universe, a literal afterglow of creation. And researchers at the University of Washington took that data and turned it into sound. What you're hearing right now is the oldest sound in existence. Older than stars, older than galaxies, older than time as we measure it. This is what creation sounded like. The moment everything space, time, matter, energy, you, me, Every planet and star and black hole came into existence from a single point smaller than an atom? And here's the part that will follow you to sleep tonight. That sound is still here. The cosmic microwave background is everywhere. It's in the space between your walls. It's passing through your body right now. Every moment of every day, you are bathed in the echo of the beginning of everything. The universe began with a sound, and it never stopped playing. 8 sounds, 8 objects, and every single one of them real. Not Hollywood, not synthesizers, not someone's imagination, real data, real space, real universe, converted into something your ears can finally understand. We walk around every day thinking space is empty, silent, irrelevant, but it's not. Right now, the sun is rumbling, a pulsar is clicking, 2 black holes somewhere are spiraling toward each other, and the Big Bang is still echoing through your living room. Which sound hit you hardest? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this channel is the kind of thing that keeps you up at night in the best possible way, subscribe. Hit the bell, because the next video is already going to be harder to forget than this one.